Visitors arrive on your Shopify store, browse the catalog, have a question, get no answer, and leave. You lose potential buyers in silence. Savalan Live Chat and AI Chatbot intercepts those silent departures. It places an always-on sales assistant directly on your storefront, one that talks to customers, recommends products, and follows up around the clock. In this tutorial, we will walk through the complete operational lifecycle, setting up automation, managing live escalations, processing support tickets, and analyzing your performance data. Moving visitors from anonymous browsing into this managed system allows you to begin tracking specific customer intents and capturing contact data at the exact moment of interest. Step 1 is understanding your workspace. Savalan is built directly inside your Shopify admin, acting as a single, centralized hub for all store communications. You never have to switch tabs to an external dashboard. Looking at the dashboard, the top summary section shows high-level engagement metrics. You instantly see total conversations and message volume. At the bottom, operational indicators confirm system readiness. Green badges verify the product catalog has synced and the widget is running. Reviewing these metrics and status checks upon login ensures you have no operational blind spots. You always know exactly what is live and how actively your store is engaging visitors. On the storefront, the chat widget provides a simple entry point for shoppers, including quick action buttons for checking orders or viewing deals. Before the conversation begins, the widget prompts the visitor for their email address to allow for future follow-ups. Back in the admin, the Conversations tab logs every one of these AI-handled interactions. The left side panel populates in real time, letting you monitor visitor intent and review exactly what the assistant is discussing. The contact data collected by the widget routes straight to the Leads page. From here, you can click Export CSV in the top right corner to download the entire list and upload it into your preferred email marketing tool. Gathering this contact data at the start of the chat moves your store away from purely reactive customer support. You are now proactively capturing leads from daily traffic. While the AI handles routine questions autonomously, high-value sales inquiries and complex issues will eventually require a human agent. When a shopper requests a live agent, the widget displays a large blue countdown timer. This provides immediate visual reassurance, letting the customer know exactly how long they will wait for a connection. The admin interface triggers a red waiting alert in the Live Chat tab. Ensure the Sound On toggle is enabled to hear incoming alerts. Clicking Take Over preserves the entire AI conversation history right inside the chat panel. Reading the context before you reply means the customer never has to repeat their problem. This drops the friction of the handoff, accelerates the resolution, and keeps the sale moving forward. Some problems, like modifying an existing order, cannot be solved instantly on live chat. These asynchronous issues become support tickets. The Tickets tab organizes these complex requests. The system categorizes incoming items with priority labels, highlighting urgent issues in red so your team knows exactly what to tackle first. Clicking a ticket reveals the chat history on the left. Draft your response directly inside the Send Reply text box. Then use the drop-down to update the status, and check the box to email your message straight to the customer. Processing tickets internally keeps your attention focused on the store. You skip the expense of third-party help desks and eliminate the distraction of switching between different software platforms. With your workflows running, the final step is measuring the results. You need to know how efficiently the AI is operating and how many leads it is securing. The Analytics dashboard summary cards track the volume of work offloaded, showing total conversations, messages, and customers captured. Below, the AI resolution rate shows conversations completed without human intervention, while the lead capture rate tracks visitors who shared contact info. Tracking these specific numbers quantifies your return on investment. You can see exactly how many support hours the AI saves you each week, while monitoring the steady growth of your marketing pipeline. You have now navigated the complete Savalan ecosystem. You know how to let the AI handle frontline greetings, execute seamless human handoffs, resolve offline tickets, and review your performance analytics. The assistant provides a consistent point of contact for every visitor, logging inquiries and securing contact data even when your team is offline. Open your Shopify dashboard. Check your Live Chat tab to ensure your sound notifications are enabled, and export your first batch of captured leads to start your next campaign. Mastering this systematic approach ensures that your store captures every lead and maintains a professional standard for both automated and live support. Before configuring anything else, verify the assistant is visible to your customers. A green banner confirms the widget is active. Next, check your store connection status. Green badges indicate your catalog is synced. Scroll down to language settings. Leave this dropdown on auto detect so the assistant can automatically reply in whichever language your international visitors type in. Checking these connections first guarantees your AI has the right inventory data and access before it ever speaks to a shopper. Your assistant needs to understand your specific catalog to be useful. We manage this in the Products and Knowledge tabs. In the Products tab, check the Visual Gallery. A green Synced badge confirms the AI has successfully indexed your inventory and is ready to recommend them in real time. Open the Customize tab. Under Chatbot Identity, name your assistant and write the welcome message. Then, in the Appearance panel, paste your brand's hex code. The live preview updates instantly. Applying consistent branding ensures the assistant feels like an organic extension of your storefront, which directly strengthens customer confidence. Instead of waiting for shoppers to open the chat manually, we can instruct the assistant to reach out first. Click over to the Campaigns tab. Start by setting your theme mode to the Auto Calendar. This enables a schedule of seasonal themes. When a date range like a summer sale arrives, the widget automatically updates its appearance to match your active promotions. Beyond visual themes, we can set behavioral triggers to detect when a shopper is lingering or struggling on a page. Scroll down to Proactive Triggers. Turn on Exit Intent to catch visitors moving to leave, and enable the Cart Page trigger to assist shoppers reviewing their items. Click into the message input fields to tailor the text for highly relevant help. Then, in the Rate Limiting section, set a maximum number of triggers per session and a cooldown timer so your outreach remains helpful. Combined with strict rate limits, behavioral triggers turn the widget into a polite sales mechanism that steps in exactly when a shopper needs a push. Before pushing all this live to your audience, you should test the workflow internally to make sure the AI responds exactly how you want. Navigate to the Test Chat tab. Use the live preview window to interact with the assistant yourself, clicking quick actions like My Orders to ensure it handles common requests smoothly. Once you know the flow works, click into the Billing tab to see how the app supports your store as your traffic scales up. You can review the pricing cards to compare monthly message capacities across the Free, Growth, and Pro tiers. The Revenue Generation section below shows when automated tools unlock. For instance, the Pro plan introduces full automation for the deal maker and multi-tier abandoned cart recovery. You will also see how your access to advanced debugging, analytics dashboards, and priority support increases alongside your business needs. Validating the customer experience today while knowing your exact upgrade path keeps your store prepared for both immediate traffic spikes and long-term expansion. Your setup is complete. The Savalan AI assistant is now fully active on your storefront. You have deployed a branded, multilingual assistant that automatically adapts to your sales calendar and proactively pursues conversions. Over the next few days, monitor your dashboard metrics, read through customer inquiries, and add any missing answers into the custom FAQ section to continually train the AI. Browsing customers no longer leave your site in silence. They are met by an untiring system built strictly to answer questions, build trust, and close sales.
Most Shopify stores lose customers in silence. A visitor browses, has a question, gets no answer, and leaves. This creates an abandoned cart for the merchant and a growing pile of routine support tickets for the team. Savalan Live Chat and AI Chatbot addresses this by placing a dedicated assistant on your store, one that recommends products and follows up at any hour. We are going to walk through the merchant dashboard, see how the assistant generates personalized sales bundles, and watch it resolve post-purchase shipping issues without human intervention. By implementing this system, your storefront manages sales and support requests around the clock, allowing you to focus on growth. The Savalan dashboard is built directly inside your Shopify admin. Monitor performance metrics here to see total conversations against human handoffs. Check operational status indicators, like catalog and widget status, to ensure the app is running live on your storefront. If you need a guide for a specific feature, the Help Center is organized into clear topic sections. You can find instructions for managing conversations, training the knowledge base, or understanding your analytics. To submit feedback or request a specific feature, use this structured form. You can message the product team directly to report an issue or suggest an improvement without leaving the application. This dashboard gives you visibility over your AI assistant and store performance in one unified workspace. On the storefront, shoppers see this interface when they open the chat widget. Quick action buttons like My Deals and My Orders are located right at the top. These buttons guide the shopper immediately, removing the need for them to guess what they should type to get assistance. Shoppers can click these structured buttons or type natural questions into the message bar below. This block shows the Smart Deal Maker. Here, the assistant presents a personalized bundle deal featuring 2 specific products and a calculated discount. Rather than showing generic site-wide discounts, the assistant reads 10 real-time signals, including cart value and browsing behavior, to curate a relevant offer for that specific shopper. Shoppers can either accept the offer or dismiss it, making the experience interactive without feeling forced. By combining guided actions with data-driven upselling, the chat widget becomes a proactive digital sales associate. Routine post-purchase inquiries, such as tracking orders or requesting address changes, often consume a significant amount of manual support time. The AI assistant manages these by first identifying the customer's specific purchase. Shoppers enter their email address and order number directly in the chat window to begin. Once verified, the widget presents this Manage Order menu. Customers can select from a list of options, such as canceling the order or changing a shipping address. For example, a customer might realize they provided the wrong delivery address immediately after checking out. Instead of waiting hours for an email, the shopper initiates the update themselves on your storefront. The widget collects the new street address, city, and state through this form. This ensures the customer provides the correct data without being redirected to another page. After submitting, the customer sees a success checkmark and a confirmation message. This sets a clear expectation that the team will review the update and confirm via email within 24 hours. By automating these requests, you provide customers with immediate confirmation while delivering structured, actionable data to your team. Savalan Live Chat and AI Chatbot manages store engagement and support tasks automatically. You have a centralized dashboard for metrics, intelligent bundle deals to increase order value, and automated workflows for post-purchase support. With this infrastructure in place, your storefront is staffed and open for conversation every hour of the day. Open your Shopify admin, check your widget status on the dashboard, and let your AI assistant